Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing a bit of a different video. I'm actually going to do an unboxing. So I got this off Farfetch and it's quite big and it's actually a tote bag. So it's Saint Laurent. Actually I should get the name of it. Let's get the name. The Saint Laurent large shopping tote. So I got it for work basically, and so I normally use this bag, which is the very staple La Pillage, I think, or something by Laurent. I've had this for literally maybe I got it like third year uni, so that would have been like five plus years ago. So this bag has lasted me a long time. But I just thought I wanted something a bit new, and I looked at a lot of tote bags, and this one caught my eye. Never actually ordered from Farfetch before. Got a discount with my work. Oh, would have been opened. Hopefully it hasn't been opened before. I haven't actually owned a Saint Laurent bag before, so I'm interested to see the quality. I've never actually even been into the shop. Video will be trying to watch a dumbass girl try and open it. There we go. Ooh. So it came with some papers. That's my receipt. Put that over there. A sticker. And the bag. So let's just get rid of this. Oh, it comes with returning, maybe? Or is this? No. I'm confused. It came with some other pieces of paper. So, already, I'm thinking it feels a bit small, but we'll see how it goes. So, just a black bag. And inside, inside it came with this big dust bag, and inside is the tote. Ooh, it's soft. Oh, it's got gold. So excited. Okay. Wait, the big reveal. Oh. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like. And that's nice. But I feel like it's not going to be big enough. Take out the jingles. I'll take one. Okay. Ooh, and it comes with a little wristlet, which is detachable. This is a tote. It's quite big. I feel like, ooh, my hair's... I should stand up and maybe show you guys what it looks like on the shoulder. Oh, it's very nice. It comes with this little wristlet, which detaches. So it comes with that as well. So it's quite small. I don't know if it will fit my phone. Ooh, something in here. I think it's the authenticity stuff. I'm gonna see if my phone fits in this. Ooh. Oh, it does. So you could probably fit in a phone, an iPhone 6 Plus, and some cards, and a lipstick maybe, and nothing much else. I normally carry powder, so that probably won't fit in here. So yeah, just for sizing. But yeah, it's very cute. That's what it's like on the inside. So it's just open, nothing, no card holders or anything. But it does come with this. So this is for cards and stuff. But yeah, it's very, very chic. It also has this, which I think has got the YSL. Don't want to take the plastic off it in case I return it, but yeah, it like hangs like that. So a little YSL. Yeah, well, that's exciting. Maybe I should do a review after I've used it for a while, because I mean, if I keep it, I think I might keep it. I'll see how it fits my gym stuff. But yeah, it's very chic, very professional, very nice for work. It could fit a lot of stuff. Can't remember how much it was. It was, okay, it's in pounds, which is not helpful because I'm Australian. But it's 598 pounds, it says. So yeah. And one other thing is I should actually compare this size to the bag I was replacing it. So actually, maybe it's bigger. I'm confused. I'm always confused. Unfortunately, that's one of my many traits. But so this bag, I think it's bigger this way. So it's quite fat. Whereas like, okay, so it's taller, I think, but it's skinnier. So that's size comparison wise. Okay, so this one is definitely, it's definitely bigger, definitely wider. So maybe it will fit more stuff in, I don't know. But yeah, just a bit of a size comparison. She obviously looks, whoa, way nicer than this one at this stage. Yeah. I also calmed down a bit because I think I was just way too overexcited when I unboxed it. So another thing to say about it is that it's actually made of like this sort of grained leather. So I got a Gucci bag. That was probably the second designer bag. The first designer bag I ever got was that Alexander Wang Rocky, like the mini Rocky or something. Mini Rocco, I think. And that was pebbled. And that held up really well over time. But what happened was the hardware started to tarnish. And it just didn't look as good as it did when I first got it. But I got so much wear out of it. I literally used it every day for about 2-3 years. Like, it was my everyday bag. Well, even longer than that, I reckon it was 4 years. So that was a good purchase. But yeah, so then I moved, and I actually kept the bag. I've still got it. I don't know if you can get the hardware on that one like re-shined or something, because I got the rose gold one and it just looked a little bit tacky. So yeah, then I got the Gucci one, and I got that in like a smooth leather, and it was the it was like Nymphea. I got the Nymphea in the smooth leather. But what happens is that I found that it scratches really easily, and the inside of the bag is like a light pink sort of a light pink suede, and it also gets dirty really quickly. So that was something that I'm now aware of when I buy a leather bag. Like, firstly, the interior. So this one is clearly, it's just leather still. It's just it's just the same sort of leather. It's just the same leather. There's no interior, which I kind of like, because it's not going to get dirty. I don't care if it scratches, which is, I've heard it scratches quite easily, but it's like inside the bag, so like who cares? And yeah, but this leather is like, feels quite durable, and it's like a little bit pebbled, so I'd say it would be quite hard to scratch, which is good for me because I am unco AF. Don't know about you guys, but like, smooth leather, get it away from me because I'm going to scratch the shit out of it. But yeah, I love how subtle it is as well. Like, Saint Laurent is so subtle. I love subtle bags. That's why I liked the Gucci one, because it's not like GG everywhere. Like, I mean, if you like it, go for it. But like, I was throwing up between this one and the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, but then the Neverfull is just not me. It's too obvious, and I'm just like not into that. But I mean, I love the bag, and I love my friends. Like, they all look great with Louis Vuitton bags. But yeah, I also actually have a wallet from Louis Vuitton, the Felicia, in the light one. I think it's Damier Ebene or something. And that kind of put me off Louis Vuitton because, again, white was probably a bad choice for me, and also had a light pink interior. And I also got that really dirty, and the outside didn't hold up as well as I would like, and I used it for maybe a year, and the button started wearing off. So like things like that, it's just not worth it. But this, I reckon, will last a while looking as nice as it does, just because it's so plain and like it's beautiful. She's amazing. I love her. So thanks very much for watching. I don't know where I'm going to cut this because I keep having to record because I get way too excited and I don't know what to say. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Oh, my hair is not looking good, not fresh. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to go eat some food now because I'm so hungry. Bye.